Hello everyone, and welcome to Tourniquets. Today we would like to explain the process of changing the settings of your laptop to allow you to use external monitors even while the laptop is closed. Some reasons for why you would want to do this is if you have limited desk space, or if you just prefer to only view your laptop desktop from your external monitors. Before we begin, please take a look at the list of steps that we will be going through. Feel free to pause the video at this point if you feel that you do not need step-by-step instructions. First, you will want to log onto your Windows user account. Once you are logged in, you will need to click the Windows taskbar search field, type in the words Control Panel, then click the Control Panel app icon. Once you are in the Control Panel window, make sure to change the View by drop-down menu to Large Icons, and click the Power Options button. Next, you will need to look at the left side of the window and click the Choose What Closing the Lid Does button. In the Define Power Buttons and Turn on Password Protection window, find the line that says When I close the lid. Once you have found it, click the drop-down menus under On Battery and Plugged In, and change the drop-down menu option for each to Do Nothing, then click the Save Changes button. Now you can close the lid of your laptop screen without having the external monitors turn off. Well, I hope you all have found this video to be very informative, and please show your support by clicking the subscribe and like buttons. See you next time.